Been waiting on this rainy weather to clear up this Sunday morning, but I thought I'd show you what I got done yesterday. I got 40 feet of well pipe out of the ground. Had to take some scaffolding I had here at the house, put a couple of layers of scaffolding up, and there you can see my chain. Got it tied to my well here. That's the pipe that was at the 40-foot level. Now, I created this wooden block to set on top of the well casting, and got one of my woodworking clamps on it on one end, and I've just got a regular, I don't know if I can get you over there, let's see, got a regular hinge on the other side, and there's a hole a little smaller than an inch round, because that's an inch round pipe, a little smaller than an inch round, so I can put that clamp on and tighten it down, and it pinches that pipe, gives it even pressure all the way around so it doesn't crack it, and then it holds it on top of that, sits on top of that well casting. And then I've got this rope, goes up to the chain, and I can pull that up, and it pulls that weight. There's several hundred pounds on this well, as deep as it is. It's about 300 feet, between 250 and 300. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we're going to definitely find out today. Anyway, that's what we got done yesterday. Also had to cut a hole in the roof, and I'll put that back on and fix it up good as new. But when we built this well pump house 20 plus years ago, we didn't think about what are we going to do when it's time to change the pump. But there you go. This is what I went and picked up, this chain hoist right here. That's what I went and picked up to carry the weight, and it's working out really good so far. All right, more to come later.